What is going on, everybody? Back with a new video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Apple iPhone Air into the OtterBox Defender Series case, so stick around. Welcome back, and let's get straight into it. So first off, I recommend grabbing a driver's license or credit card or something similar in size. Next, go to a corner of the case, it doesn't matter which one, and slip the card in between the polycarbonate shell and outer layer of shock absorbing silicone. Once you've peeled that corner of the case back, go ahead and make your way around the entire case, continuing to peel back that outer layer from the inner layer. Just a heads up, there is a port cover that goes inside the USB Type-C port, so make sure you get that out before you pull the case completely apart. Once you've successfully taken the two pieces apart, grab the inner polycarbonate shell, and on the back you can see that there is arrows. These arrows indicate the specific locations that you need to pop the case apart at. You can use a small flathead screwdriver, however I'm just going to use my nail as it is completely possible to do. So again, make your way around the case, popping apart the case at those specific locations. Now that the inner polycarbonate shell is completely separated from each other, go ahead and grab the back of the inner polycarbonate shell and place the iPhone Air inside. Next, go ahead and pop on the top section of the inner polycarbonate shell, and the best way to do so is look in the area of the camera control button and just line that up. Now this top section of the inner polycarbonate shell just snaps together onto the bottom section, fully enclosing the iPhone Air. Now this particular part of the installation is very important. Make sure that it's properly snapped together or it's not going to fit correctly in the outer shock absorbing silicone. Alright, now that we've got that complete, go ahead and make your way around it again to double check. Go ahead and grab the back layer of shock absorbing silicone, and now we're going to place that inner polycarbonate shell inside the interior, starting off with the bottom section first, then wrap around the top section. Now once you do so, you're able to wrap the lip of the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone into the groove provided by the inner polycarbonate shell. And that's it. Now your iPhone Air is fully protected in the OtterBox Defender Series case. If this video helped you out in any way, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to be notified of future content. My name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.